Today, I want to share something very special with you all. A beautiful surprise gift that I made for my best friend. This is not just a normal present. It is filled with love, memories, and emotions. Inside this gift box, there are many birthday cards, each with a different sweet message. Every card is made to bring a smile and to make my friend feel truly special while opening them one by one. Along with the cards, I added delicious chocolates. There are also lovely flowers and flower cards. I decorated this entire gift with a lot of care, patience, and love, which make this gift even more beautiful and meaningful. Every small detail shows how important my friend is to me. This gift box is not just full of things, it is full of feelings. When my friend opens this box, I hope they don't just see the gifts, but they also feel how much they are loved and appreciated. This kind of gift box is a perfect idea if you also want to surprise someone special with a unique and handmade present.